Welcome to Cleerline's resource video. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to install the 6-strand Spider Breakout Kit. Required parts and equipment for installing the SBOK 0640M250. Each Spider Breakout Kit contains furcation tube housing, main body housing, nut, and grommet strain relief boot. And for equipment, tri-hole strippers, Kevlar shears, ruler, marking tool, and electrical tape. Now let's prepare for installation. First, slide included nut, grommet strain relief boot, and main body housing onto the cable. Ensure that the main body housing is oriented correctly and will thread onto the strain relief boot. Measure the tubing down the length of the cable and place a mark at the 6 inches or 15 centimeters from the end of the tubing. Using the stripper's 2 mm opening, remove the jacket at the mark so that the exposed fiber is equal to the breakout tubing and assembly, plus 6 inches or 15 centimeters. Separate aramid yarns from the fiber and cut approximately 6 inches or 15 centimeters from the end of the jacket. Working on a flat surface with an edge, tape down the cable so the end of the housing is at least 2 inches from the edge and position fiber strands down. Tape furcation tube housing to edge of the surface so that the tubes hang down to the floor. Untangle fibers so each can be separated back to the jacket. Insert fiber through matching colored furcation tube until fiber exits far end of the tubing. Ensure fibers are not twisted, and repeat the process for fibers 2 through 6. Remove tape from furcation tube housing and move towards the main body housing. Ensure there is 1 to 1.5 inch of space between the end of the fiber jacket to the furcation tube housing to allow strain relief. Position aramid yarns outside of the main body housing and rotate the main body housing clockwise one time and cut off remaining Kevlar. Continue to rotate the main body housing and lock onto furcation tube housing, and ensure that the fibers inside does not twist. Now slide nut forward and tighten onto main body housing. Slide strain relief boot forward and tighten onto nut to complete the installation. You have now completed the installation of your 6-strand Spider Breakout Kit. Thank you for watching our instructional video on how to properly install the 6-strand Spider Breakout Kit. Please visit our website for more information at www.cleerline.com/resources.